Hi all, good morning. I hope all of you are fine. Welcome to your ICT class. In our last class, we have done activity 8 and 9, that is, let's find out the features of elements and how the elements got their name. For that, we have learned about a software called Calcium, from which we can learn about periodic table, the different elements in the table and their features. The learning objective for today's class is to learn about other software packages that is related to periodic table. Okay, in your textbook page number 117 in Let's Evaluate section, two questions are given. First one is display the model of chlorine atom using calcium software and take a screenshot and save it. Okay, so let's open calcium software. Then we have to select chlorine, that is Cl. Click on this. Then click on this atom model. Then we got the atomic model of chlorine. So that was our first question, that is to get the atomic model of chlorine using the calcium software. Okay, second question is symbols are used to represent elements. English letters are used as symbols. Complete the table 7.7 with the help of calcium software. Here a table is given, then in that some elements are given. We have to get the Latin name and symbol of these elements. First one is silver. Okay, silver is Ag. The Latin name is argentum and the symbol is Ag of silver. Then second element is hydrogen. Okay, here is hydrogen, that is H. And the name is originated from hydro and genao. Then the symbol is H. Next element is tin. If you don't know the symbol of the element, we can search it here. Okay, here we have to type the name of the element. We'll type tin here. Okay, we'll search for it. See now only 5 elements are colored. We'll see each of these. Just place the mouse pointer on each of the elements. First one is actinium. This is protactinium. This is platinum. This is tin. Okay, so this is tin. So the Latin name for tin is stannum and the symbol is Sn. Then our last element is antimony. So we'll search for antimony here. Okay, this is antimony, Sb. Click on that. The name is anthos amonos and the symbol for antimony is Sb. So we have got the Latin name and symbol for all these elements. Now let's move on to the extended activities. First question is find out and use the other software packages in IT at School GNU Linux related to periodic table of elements. Okay, so similar to the software calcium, we have another other softwares also which help us to learn about the periodic table. So let's find some of the softwares. Applications, education. Here we have GChem table. We'll select that. Okay, so this GChem table is another software which is related to the periodic table of elements. Here also we can see the periodic table when we open the software. Then if we click on any of the element, we'll get the informations about that element. Here in main, we'll get the atomic number, atomic weight, electronic configuration, then name. Then we have electronic properties here. Then informations related to the covalent radius, van der Waals radius, etc. Then informations related to thermodynamics, that is melting point and boiling point. Okay. Now we'll select another element. Here also we can get the informations related to this element, that is atomic number, atomic weight, electronic configuration. Then here in electronic properties we have ionization energy, electronic affinity, etc. then covalent, van der Waals radius, etc. Then in thermodynamics, melting point, boiling point, etc. Okay, so this is one of the software related to periodic table, and the name of this software is GChem table. This software also help us to learn about the periodic table of elements. Now let's see another software related to periodic table, that is G periodic. When we open this software also, we can see the periodic table with various elements. Now we'll select one element. When we click on that, we'll get the informations related to that element, that is the name, symbol, atomic number, atomic weight, density, melting and boiling points, atomic radius, covalent radius, ionic radius, atomic volume, etc. Now we'll check with another element. We'll select zinc, click on this. We'll get the informations related to the element zinc. We have the name, symbol, atomic number, weight, density, melting and boiling point, etc. Okay, so this is another software and the name is G periodic. The software also help us to learn about the periodic table of elements. So similar to the software calcium, we have other softwares also which is related to periodic table of elements. We have seen two softwares. One is GChem table and second one is G periodic. These two softwares also help us to learn about the periodic table of elements. Okay, now let us summarize what we have learned in today's class. Today, as a revision, we have done some activities in calcium software. We have displayed the atomic model of chlorine element in calcium software. Then we have found out the Latin name and symbol for some of the elements given in our textbook. Then we have learned about another two softwares that is related to periodic table. First one was GChem table and second one was G periodic. How to open these softwares? Go to applications, select education. From that, select either GChem table or G periodic. So these two softwares are also related to periodic table of elements. Just like calcium, when we open these softwares, we can see the periodic table. We can see many elements in that. Just click on the required element, then we'll get the informations related to that element. That is the atomic structure, atomic weight, melting point, boiling point, ionization energy, oxidation states, covalent radius, van der Waals radius, etc. Okay, so these two are other softwares related to periodic table. So I hope all of you have understood the topics that we have discussed in today's class. See you next class. Bye.